Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and practical. How to add a TikTok Shop link to your videos in 2025. If you're a creator looking to monetize your content or boost your sales, this is a game changer. With TikTok's evolving features, linking your shop directly to videos has never been easier or more effective. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to drive traffic straight to your products. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a TikTok business account. If you don't, head over to the TikTok app, go to your profile, and switch to a business account. It's free and only takes a minute. Once that's done, enable TikTok Shop if you haven't already. In 2025, TikTok has streamlined this process, so look for the Monetization tab in your settings and follow the prompts to connect your shop. You'll need to verify your business details and link a payment method. Now, onto the fun part. Adding the link to your video. Start by creating or editing a video in the TikTok app. After you've filmed and edited your content, go to the Add Details section before posting. Here, you'll see a new option called Shop Integration. That's the 2025 update we're talking about. Click on it, and select the products from your TikTok shop that you want to feature. TikTok now allows you to attach specific links or even create interactive tags within the video itself, making it more engaging for viewers. Don't forget to customize your call to action. Add text overlays like Shop Now or Link in Bio to guide your audience. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. TikTok's algorithm in 2025 is smarter than ever, so videos with shop links often get a visibility boost if they perform well. A quick tip. Test your link right away to ensure it's working. Also, comply with TikTok's guidelines to avoid any issues. There you have it. That's how you add a TikTok Shop link to your video in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.